Alright guys, the first exercise we're starting off with is the penguin. For this one you want to lie on your back, bend your legs, and keep your feet together. Reach over to one side and touch your feet with that hand, and then do the same thing on the other side, going back and forth like this for a minute. You guys are doing great. We only have a few more seconds of this. Keep it up. Next up, we're going to do army crawl planks. For this one, you're going to be in a plank position on your elbows. From here, you want to crunch one leg up, bending the knee to the side of your body, so you're crunching your obliques. Then bring it back down and crunch the other side. Push the ground away from you. Make sure you're staying in one nice straight line from head to toe. Keep your rib cage tucked, hips tucked, abs tight, lower back up. Don't let it sink toward the ground. You're doing fantastic. We're almost done with this one. Next up, we're going to do a back extension. For this, you're going to be lying on your stomach and lifting everything up off the ground except for your hips. So go ahead and lift up and squeeze your back muscles as tight as they can. Upper, middle, and lower back should be working. Keep your feet together so your glutes are activated as well, and keep your legs straight. You're trying to bend in half backwards, so get up as high as you can. And then lower back down to the ground, coming up and down like this for a minute. When a lot of people think of core, they often don't think about their back muscles, but that's part of it too. You want to keep those strong. You are crushing it. Keep it up for a few more seconds, and then we're going to get into toe touches. For the toe touches, you're going to be lying on your back, feet straight up into the air, directly over your hips. Now from here, just lift your upper body up and try to get as close to your toes as you can. If you can touch them, great. If not, just get as close as you can. That's fine. We're doing this for a minute. Keep your legs as straight as possible, so you really want to be reaching up to the sky. Awesome job, and we're going to come into our last exercise in a few seconds, so keep this up, and next we're going to be doing Russian twists. For the Russian twists, you're going to be sitting. You can either keep your feet on the ground or keep them up in the air. I like to keep them up in the air because it requires a little bit more balance and more use of the core muscles. But if that's too difficult for you right now, no problem, just keep them down, and we're going to be twisting from side to side. It doesn't need to be a big motion here, just enough to really get those obliques working. Roll your shoulders back and down, and keep your back as flat as possible. Try not to hunch over. This is the last minute.
Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. I've got you.
You guys are doing so great. Keep it up. Just a few more seconds. You're almost finished. Awesome job. Way to push through. That's 5-minute abs with no rest in between. Great job. If you like this and want to see more fitness content like this, please click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for joining me today.